Okay, starting again. So what I want to do is I want to use this handle as part of a, or I want to use the brush handle as part of a handle for the pan. So I want probably make a copy of it that's stuck inside the pan, and then merge them together, and then trim them back out again. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, how do I want to do this? Probably just going to, first of all, make sure that the relationship between the brush and the pan is good. Is that thing? Yeah, it looks like it's centered pretty well. And let me think about what's going to be, if these are all, imagine this all together, you have to think in terms of kind of my parting surfaces on there. And right now I think I want to move the brush or the pan forward some, so that it's kind of intersecting, about near the middle. And let's see, let's make a nice giant. Let's see, if I cut from there back to there, up to there, now that's going to leave a, so maybe I want it more, just maybe a little deeper into it. So say something more like that. Oh, I see. I was wondering why it was scaling it. Oh, shift, yeah, that's moving it. Yeah, something about like that. We'll give that a try. If it works, great. If not, we'll try something else. Looks like we got a little bit poking through back there, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. Alright, so what I want to do is make a duplicate. I'm going to duplicate both of these just in case, but let's make a duplicate of the handle, so a duplicate of it, and then let's make sure to rename that with a pan, and let's make a duplicate of it, and let's move one of these handles all the way to the bottom. And let's move our pan here. They're both, they're Dynamesh. So what I want to do is set the handle to a subtractive. And that's these little icons right here. And then I want to come down to polygroups and tell it that I want to make it a. Actually, no, it doesn't. No, this is not a subtraction. This is an addition. I've been doing that so much lately that it's just a normal merge down and then Dynamesh. So once I get that there, I can just say merge down. It's undoable. That's okay. I've got backups. Clear the mask and re-Dynamesh so that these things are together. Let's hide this backup here, and let's hide the backup handle or the original handle. So yeah, these things are together. And now I can kind of cut them apart. So to do that, I want to use my Control Shift and Slice curve. First thing I'll do is just slice across the top like that, and you'll see that if we turn on polyframes, that slice those two to separate groups. Oh yeah, but let's see. I may want to make those, before I do that, I may want to make everything all one polyframe. I forgot that when it merged down, it keeps those polygroups. So just do group visible, so that that's all one. And now I can do just a real thin trim across the top just to make sure I've got both in there. Yeah, that looks good. see, let's come up. Yeah, I think I'm just going to come. Hell, I might just go straight up. Oop, sorry. I gotta be in. Let's go to draw mode. Yep. Let's come off that. Double tap it. Not sure if I'm going to like that or not. Yeah, it's just not wide enough. I think I am just going to have to bite the bullet and leave a little bit of a lip on here. Alright, so that actually may make things a little bit simpler. Slice here across the top, get to about right here, double tap. Let's see, let's pull it up to about right there, double tap, and off to there. Okay. Yeah, see, that's going to leave a little bit of that lip right there, but I don't think it's going to be too much of a problem. If it is, we'll make it work. So once I've got those kind of sliced like that, let's see, I want to now make a bit down here for a so I can make kind of a rubber blade out here on the end of it. So again, Control Shift, let's start one of these and make it kind of roughly perpendicular to the center of that thing. Not too long. All right. Yeah. So now I just want to, I think all I'll need to do now is run panel loops on it. So I'm going to come up here to edge loop and down to panel loops. I'm just going to set this to 3. I'll set my thickness to about 0.05 and leave this at double. And let's see what we get. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. That looks a little bit too big, so let's see, I'm going to undo that slice and do it one more time where it's not so big. Yeah, and now let's do panel loops. Still have the same settings here. Yep, that all looks good. So now let's just do a little consolidating and getting rid of tops of things. So I'm going to switch to my select rectangle. Select lasso also works for this, but let's see, I want to keep all this and the bottom, or I want to keep all the stuff kind of on the bottom here. So what I'm going to do is start off by just clicking those to hide everything else, and then Control Shift Alt drag to bring that all back. Let's go to let's make sure I've got double-sided on so I can kind of see what's causing problems. Make sure it looks like I lost something there. So yeah, let's bring something back, or bring that back. Maybe let's try going with hiding. Yeah. So this is the stuff I want to get rid of. If you have just one shell or one piece of something like that, you can go down to visibility and do grow all, and that grows all in that would be in that shell. And so that I'm going to do group visible, so that makes that all one, and then bring everything back. And now it should just be a matter of going through and doing more of that. So let's do this one, and then grow all, or from that, and group visible, bring everything back. Let's do the blade here, and grow all. Make sure it's got the whole thing. Yep, group visible. Bring it all back. And now actually I think I can just start removing stuff. So let's see. Let's do one more on this one, just so I know it's all one. Separate group. Yeah, let's go to that one, and then hold down Control Shift and drag Alt, holding down Alt. That should bring all that back, and then I think I can just do Control Shift and click that green one to hide it. Okay, yeah, that looks like it's giving me the pan and the blade. Let's hide those bristles. Just to make sure. Yep, looks good. So now I can do delete hidden. And Shift F to get back out of that. Let's bring back my bristles and brush. Brush looks like it would snap down in there pretty well. It's got, yeah, plenty of depth on it, not a problem. Might even be able to do a little work to get that. Yeah, that could actually probably be a little bit flatter through there, but I'd say that's looking pretty good. So let me pick this up again, and the rest of it will be stuff that's fairly familiar to you.